Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and a restore point. This protects you if changes misbehave. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, Update and Security, then Windows Security. From there, click App and Browser Control to reach Smart Screen settings. You're past setup and now directly in the control panel that governs app and browser protection. This step gives you the interface to check warnings, set protection levels, and prepare to change rules safely. Now modify Smart Screen. Choose reputation-based protection to either block, warn, or turn it off for apps and files. Pick Warn for balance between safety and usability. Next, check browser-specific settings so Edge or Internet Explorer scans downloads and sites. Toggle those options to your preference. After that, open Exploit Protection Settings and apply system-wide or program-specific overrides when an app needs exception handling. These steps let you fine-tune protection without disabling core defenses. Finish by restarting the PC and testing with a safe, known file or site to confirm Smart Screen and exploit rules behave as intended. This validates your changes immediately. If something breaks, make sure to revert using the restore point or reset app and browser control to default settings. If problems continue, check Event Viewer and Windows security notifications for error codes and blocked app names. That information guides targeted fixes or allows you to add safe exceptions without lowering overall protection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.